Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Brandon, Manitoba, a charming city nestled in the heart of the Canadian prairies. Known as the Wheat City due to its rich agricultural heritage, Brandon is surrounded by vast fields of golden wheat and other crops that stretch as far as the eye can see. Brandon is situated along the banks of the Assiniboine River, which not only provides stunning natural scenery, but also plays a crucial role in the city's history and development. The river was a vital transportation route for Indigenous peoples long before European settlers arrived. In fact, the area has a deep historical significance with evidence of Indigenous habitation dating back thousands of years. The connection to the Canadian Pacific Railway was a major factor in Brandon's early growth, attracting settlers and businesses alike. Over the years, Brandon has evolved into a bustling center for trade, education, and culture in the region. Today, Brandon is home to Brandon University, which offers a wide range of programs and contributes to the city's lively arts and cultural scene. The city also boasts numerous parks and green spaces, making it a great place for outdoor activities and family fun. From hiking and biking along the river trails to enjoying a picnic in one of the many parks, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're visiting for the first time or have called Brandon home for years, there's always something new to discover in this welcoming prairie city. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. On a clear day, the sky here would normally be a bright blue, but smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It softens the light and gives the sky a pale, hazy appearance. Wildfire smoke can travel a long way and affect skies and air quality even in places far from the actual fires. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Thanks for watching!